Family, Lysol wipes are a necessity. Hi, I'm Zoe, and welcome to the Lysol Letdown. With my family and I being germophobic, we hesitate to touch public items such as shopping carts and bathroom door handles. So, the solution is to wipe them down thoroughly with a Lysol wipe or not touch them at all. But what if, after we use them, they're still as dirty as before? So, before starting this process, I believe that Lysol wipes kill 99.9% of germs. I asked 30 people what they thought was the dirtiest household item were. These are my items: a door handle, a keyboard, a TV remote, and a cell phone. To test the amount of bacteria on these items, I needed some supplies, such as petri dishes, nutrient agar, adult supervision, and more. After researching and planning for a while, I started my experimentation in mid-November. To do so, I had to prepare my petri dishes. After I did, I swabbed my keyboard with a Q-tip, then rubbed it in a sterile petri dish. Next, I wiped my keyboard down with a Lysol wipe, then swabbed it again with a new Q-tip and rubbed it in a different petri dish. I repeated these steps on the cell phone, TV remote, and door handle. After I prepared all my samples, I stored them in a closed cardboard box on my kitchen counter for 7 days. I opened the box each day at the same time while recording my findings. Initially, I did not see anything up until day 4. On day 4, I observed an outbreak of bacteria. On days 1 through 3, before wiping, the amount of observed/estimated amount of bacterial colonies averaged to around 27 colonies, while days 4 through 7 before wiping, it averaged to around 158 colonies. After wiping with Lysol on days 1 through 3, it averaged to 22 colonies, while on days 4 through 7 after wiping, it averaged to around 136 colonies. My hypothesis was that Lysol wipes kill 99.9% of germs, but after an extensive amount of research, I found my results did not reflect this. If you read the fine print on a Lysol container, you'll notice that it claims to kill 99.9% of germs as long as it's used on smooth, hard, non-porous surfaces after you wait for 4 minutes. After wiping, the cell phone, which is a flat surface, was the least dirty item days 1 through 3. But the TV remote, which is a textured, porous surface, was the least dirty days 4 through 7, so that statement will not always be true. In retrospect, I did not wait the 4 minutes after wiping before swabbing, which was an error in my procedure and resulted in my data not being 100% accurate. In conclusion, I would be interested to redo this experiment with knowledge of the fine print and wait the 4 minutes before swabbing and see if it did in fact kill 99.9% of germs. This was a learning experience and I enjoyed every single part of it. Thank you for your time.
Wonderful. I was going to ask you if you waited before you swabbed.